I've met more people here in one night than I have in the last 5 years.
I've been a member of Family Office Club for about 4 years, and I'm always consistently blown away by the level of the people in the room. There's quite a variety. There's investors, there's people looking to get into deals, there's deals happening, there's investors happening right on the spot. But more than anything, the people here are real. They're real business people doing real business and hyper connectors.
I've done 3 LP deals of people that I've met through this club.
We even had the opportunity to make an investment with one of the individuals here.
I have met several partners here that we've worked on deals, closed deals, working on some very big projects right now, some senior affordable housing, impact housing. I'm also working with some VC-backed SaaS companies and marketing capacity, so a lot of great contacts here.
Focus on 2 things: student housing and multifamily.
So I can't stop investing in real estate. But within real estate, we are looking at infrastructure, data centers. We're also looking at conversions for assisted living. We're also definitely always looking at good multifamily deals over 100 units. These are just the basics. We also have very niche investors in the hotel industry, which is global.
Real estate operating platform is part of a multi-generational family office, currently only investing in multi-tenant industrial and small bay flex.
Investments-wise, we're mostly focused on real estate, both on the equity side and on the debt side.
We look at the world very differently. We think we're in very treacherous times, also times of great opportunity. We've done very large deals. We did the biggest deal in Tennessee history called National Yards, which will ultimately be a $3 billion multi-use real estate deal, probably the biggest in the Southeast.
We're investing in urban primary and secondary markets, top 50 MSA, and both in urban downtown and then the suburban areas of those MSAs.
Niche alternative investments are really compelling, and because generally they're uncorrelated to other things, unfortunately they take usually a lot more due diligence. However, they can provide in ongoing, very attractive return.
I've been allocating to alternatives such as private equity, private credit, and sports funds. Most recently, we have been doing a lot of sports.
Where we are today, what we look for, we're in about 14 different investments that are commercial real estate focused. In the financial world, we're in alternative investments for a hedge fund, and we have a public ETF that we invested in at the incubator side of it now, 80 million asset, which is great.
Obviously, technology. We're pretty heavy on AI, anything that has an AI component. ESG is huge right now. We're definitely always investing in good climate clean tech and not greenwashing, quote unquote, but really, really looking at what's the net carbon emission at the very ground level. Very interesting to us as well. And what's very exciting space for us is entertainment and tech. So that's one of the new companies. It's all holograms. And so what you see in the Sphere in Las Vegas, it's very exciting space to be in. So we're seeing a lot of energy there.
We do have people that are investing in our quantum technology development. By the year 2040, 40% of the power generated in the United States is going to go to generative AI. Today, that number is 2%. So we're looking at a 15-year span going from 2% to 40% without an infrastructure in place to support that. So there's going to be a breakdown somewhere in between here and there. And so what we're building and investing right now and taking investments for is building out this quantum technology, which I think is going to take us into the next generation.
And we're building sort of a studio for entrepreneurs that want to start up AI and tech companies in our area. So if you are an entrepreneur and you're looking to start a business and need some support, we are investing in that area. We are looking more for niche AI solutions. We believe deep learning models is the way to go. Relating back to my pharma years, I think of like 92% of the prescriptions are generic. There's about 8% that are branded, and that's where the margins and the profits are, whether you believe in that model or not. But we kind of see that deep niche as the way to sort of deploy some capital into some AI solutions. So
I've been investing in technology businesses now since the 1980s with a global focus. So I spent 20 odd years investing in China. The last 4 years I've been based here in the US, investing primarily in 2 core sectors. One is sustainable solutions, and the second is fintech.
So I have a family office. I invest mainly in healthcare tech and fintech.
We like investing in medical practices. And so we own like dermatologist.com, obstetricians.com, parasitologist.com, and over time looking for profitable medical practices that want Fifth Avenue real estate to scale their medical practice with capital plus good positioning. And we like gross revenue royalty deals more than any other structured type.
We invest into art and crypto because, very, very risk-averse fields. And we love our peaceful nights where we get plenty of sleep and don't have to worry about anything. We're looking to invest into out-of-the-box thinkers. And we like people who are in existing industries but are innovating new solutions for them.
So we've been focusing on a pretty niche category of real estate, I would say. It's all retail and industrial properties, but the twist is that it's with cannabis tenants. So, most people hear that and they get a little skittish, but the way we underwrite the real estate is to non-cannabis values. Over the last 6 years, we've deployed about $170 million on 60 properties across the country.
We're a second-generation family office with a specialty in oil and gas and energy investing. What we look for is early-stage startups that are primarily in the Silicon Valley area.
We're looking for emerging growth companies, although we do look at startups on a regular basis as well. Each one of our regions is a separate company within of itself. And then we work as a network. We meet on a regular basis, share deal flow, share investors. We're looking for strong investors. We're looking for really good companies to create good returns for our investors.
Hi, my name is Ken Velasquez. I'm here at the Family Office Club. I came here to speak about my past experiences with martial arts. I highly recommend other people coming to the Family Office Club. It's a great place to network, having like-minded individuals who are driven to create something, to empower people. Great connections to help others as well.
I had a great time speaking at the Family Office Club Super Summit. I spoke about my experience as a former Olympic level athlete and also on investing in the future of trends like robotics, AI, blockchain, and more. And I'm really excited about all the incredible investors and advisors I've met here, being able to share my passion for investing in high growth female-led startups. And I would highly recommend anybody who is interested in really leveling up their mindset, leveling up their investment portfolio, and really building true lasting relationships with people who are at the cutting edge of making great investments and building generational wealth.
My name's Corey Blassingame. I'm a 6-year NFL veteran, and speaking at the Family Office Club has been transformational.
Coming here now to this event and also the platform that Family Office provides is extremely informative, and it's raised my expectations of it very high. I've gotten so much more out of it than I even really imagined that I would.
One thing that the Family Office Club has really been able to do and nurture well is create a sense of community that just feels organic. I walked in, I felt almost like at peace. So to say that you found peace in a work environment that's connected, there's a lot of places like it.
If you're thinking about joining Family Office Club, don't even think about it. It's really the best decision I've ever made, and I seriously suggest that you take a look for yourselves.